From the moment you were born, you have known our love and care. But there is someone special out there, made just for you. Don't worry, you'll get to meet them soon. We will make sure of it. Because when you arrive is when your journey truly begins. You will be part of their celebrations, their defeats, and their most memorable moments. Even a few accidental ones. But life, as you know, has a way of surprising us all. So it's okay if you find yourself returning to us. Goodbyes can be easy too. Oh, and did we mention your new best friends? They will seek your company all the time. You better get used to them. But always remember, wherever you go, from big homes to small gardens to cozy spaces, you will always make a difference with this one thing you carry inside you. The thing we call happiness. Beliani. Delivering happiness.